Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reveal hidden passwords in Google Chrome using the Inspect tool. So let's get started. First, open any website and go to the login page. Now enter your credentials, like your username and password. After entering the password, you'll see it appears as dots for security. Now, to reveal it, take your mouse and go to the password field. Right-click on it and click on Inspect. As soon as you click it, a panel will open, and you'll see some code highlighted related to the password field. In this code, look for the part where it says type equals password. This is what hides your password. Now double-click on the word password and change it to text. After editing it, press enter. As soon as you do this, you will see that the dots are converted into normal text and your password becomes visible. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.